What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP the Install Guy. I hope everybody's having a lovely day. Today we have a 2011 Toyota Sienna, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out and install your own. If this is your first time tuning in, please consider subscribing. These are the things that we like to do here. Car audio tutorials, matter of fact, anything car audio install related, that's what we do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. First thing I like to do is pop this part open right here, and I like to try to get my panel removal tool behind that part because this little piece trim has to come off and it is only held in by clips. Let me see if I can't get my hand. All right. Oh, there we go. Dang. All the rest of them clips just kind of came out too. I guess they weren't in there good. Let's go ahead and take this one harness out. We're gonna set him right there. Take our shifter knob and we are just going to twist him off. All right, he good. Put your hand right up under there. Got those clips. Let that lay right there. This part right here is probably just gonna come out with my Oh, you know what? Yeah. Also held in with clips. And then now we are left with 4 10 mils. Turn my light on so y'all can see. 2 on the left. There's one right here in the back. 2 on the right. Let's go ahead and get those out. Now that we have those out, I think I can just come right here. And pull that whole thing out like that. There we go. Now come back here, take out all the harnesses. All right, y'all, so took all those harnesses out. We do have the radio. Now let's get over here to the test bench and get this prepped up to receive our aftermarket radio. So I just decided to knock this out right here. We can do all this stuff from the car. So first thing we want to do, this CD player navigation unit part is actually separate from everything else, and it's only held in by 1, 2, 3, and 4 Phillips. So we need to go ahead and take those out first. Those are out. This just lifts up and we can set that right over there, and then we are left with just the inside piece. So what you want to do is you want to take your dash kit, and I will have all these links in the description down for you, and if you guys click those links, that help support this channel and keep all this stuff free. So what we want to do is put that stuff right there, and then you want to go ahead and take those same screws and put those in. Just go ahead and do that real quick. Before we actually put that inside that little hole over there, I just realized that it might be easier if we go ahead and put these on first and get our radio mounted. That way we don't have to worry about trying to take the air vents off and stuff like that. So basically it comes with 3 pieces. You have these 2 side brackets, and you also have the screws that go in them. And you just basically, I've already did that side. You want to come in, put that right there, and then you want to take those 2 screws, screw it in, and then we can actually have a good bracket, good mounting space to actually mount our radio. After that, what I did is I went ahead and actually slid the radio inside the dash, and I put 1 screw on the left and right side so it can actually be mounted. I could go ahead and put 2 screws in, but since this is just the single DIN mount in the back, then this really only need for 1 because it's not going to move. And then that's what it actually looks like on the front. So now we want to take our front piece, flip it over, and then you also want to take this piece and put it inside of here, and then those same Phillips screws that we took out the first time, we're going to screw all of these back in. Should only be 4, so let's go ahead and knock that part out. So now that we have this screwed into that, the radio screwed into that, and this whole piece screwed into there. When we turn it around, it looks like that, and that's exactly how we wanted to look. Metro does a good job about actually color matching all this good stuff. I like the way it looks. Let's go ahead and get this thing wired up so you can see what it looks like when we push it back in there. All right, guys, so I got everything wired up, and if it's your first time here, you're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over the wiring part? Well, I have over 150 different uninstall and reinstall videos, and it takes too much time to go over the wiring every single time. So to save time, I actually made one video going over all the aftermarket wire colors and connections and all that type of stuff. So if you know how to wire up a radio, you get what you need in the removal, and if you don't, then you get a secondary source. Yes, every car is different, but as long as you know the aftermarket wire colors, you buy the harness that you're supposed to, then you'll be good to go. Also, to our Patreon supporters, I go over extra things that I don't go over on YouTube, like actually showing you the specific steering wheel control wires that I tap into, where to go to if you want to actually add that factory backup camera to your aftermarket radio. Not to just show you the principle or basically the technicality of how to do it, but I actually go over the wire colors per car, and depending on which package that you get, I may actually go get on the phone with you and help you troubleshoot. But either way, I will go ahead and get this thing put back into the car so you can see what it looks like when it's all said and done.
Open the phone lines right now.
All right, y'all, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done, man. We got that backup camera hooked up real nice on it. We have the steering wheel controls and all that stuff working. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links in the description. Patreon links in the description. JP the Install Guy, the website is coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. Until next time, it's your boy JP signing out, man. I'll catch y'all at the next car.